In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Direct Express card. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Direct Express website. This is the main place where you can find information about your card, manage your account, and get help if you need a replacement. Make sure you are on the correct official site before moving forward, especially when dealing with a government benefits card. Once you're on the Direct Express website, the next thing to understand is that if your card is lost or stolen, you'll need to follow the replacement process through the support options provided there. This is important because if your card is missing, acting quickly can help protect your funds and prevent unauthorized use. From the website, look for the Lost or Stolen Card section and click on it. This will take you to the page with the instructions you need for replacing your card. Take a moment to read the information carefully because the exact process may depend on the type of cardholder account you have. If you are a Fifth Third cardholder, the site explains that you can temporarily place a hold on your card by logging into your account online or using the mobile app and turning on the lock card feature. This is helpful if you think you may have misplaced your card and want to pause activity while you search for it. If you believe the card is permanently lost or stolen, the next step is to call customer service immediately. They can deactivate the missing card and arrange for a replacement card to be sent to you. Keep in mind that fees may apply, so it's a good idea to review your cardholder agreement for full details. If you are a Comerica cardholder, the process is very similar. You can also log into your account online or through the app and use the lock card feature to place a temporary hold on the card. This gives you a little extra security if you are not yet sure whether the card is truly gone. If the card has been permanently lost or stolen, you should contact customer service right away so they can deactivate it and send you a replacement. As with other replacement requests, fees may apply, and the cardholder agreement will provide the exact terms. The key takeaway here is to start on the Direct Express website, go to the Lost or Stolen Card section, identify your cardholder type, and then follow the instructions shown there to protect your account and request a replacement card.